Hey yo, we just woke up, except last night we couldn't get into it right away, bro. You know what I'm saying? It gets busy, it gets busy. Sonwabile, you know he's already dropped that thing with Beko with Blackie, banger. I mean, as a streamer, as a YouTuber or whatever you can call him, he's everything. This guy. Nobody expected him to come out when we were streaming back in the day. We used to call Hans. There was that Han in UK and everybody. He used to do some silly shit. But all of that, it attracted eyes, you know, from the young guys, the young ladies, the baddies. You know, it attracted eyes, and then we started looking at his direction. You know, and he used that, and then out of nowhere, he came with a banger with Blackie. Abeko is currently on 600 views on YouTube right now. It's over 100k listeners. It's a banger. It's dope. If you don't know that song, I don't know. Why would you not know that song? Okay. Anyway, Sonwabile, Ingozi, Freestyle. We're gonna react to that real quick. Man, I don't know I don't know what this guy. What can I expect from this guy anymore? He's too good with it. Let's go.
Yeah, danger, Ingozi, go. Danger.
Who produces for this guy? Man. No. So somebody out there is doing things. Who's the producer for this guy?
Danger.
Oh my God.
The flow that I spit is too blunt, it can't be rolled up. Give my whole heart to the game, oh yes, I'm a donor. It's lonely at the top, yes I swear I'm a loner. I was broke as shit, I made it through the flood, I feel like Noah. Ingozi, they say you drop the sauce, unga stressing so he call her. Only Stevie Wonder when I win.
Whoa. Hold on. Whoa. Sonwabile gang, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, gang? What are you doing, bro? Whoa. Did you see that transition right here? I understand the bars, the bars. Crazy. He had 3 bars, none missed. Flat, Noah, bar. The one before that, bar. The one before that, bar. And then he goes, look. Here he is, right? This is him, right? Oh my God. Look, this is him, right? Okay, look.
It's too blunt, it can't be
brought
rolled up. Give my whole heart to the game, oh
this
yes,
is
I'm a donor. It's
This is
lonely at the
him.
top,
Oh,
yes
no.
I swear I'm a loner. I was broke as shit, I made it through the flood, I feel like Noah.
Look at that.
They say you drop
Look
the
at that.
sauce, so my
That
stressing
shit
so he
is
call her.
crazy.
Only Stevie Wonder when I windows on the border.
What?
Hop inside a black Maybach, Coca-Cola. Diamonds on my neck, bright, get a close up. New flow, wanna bite, get nauseous. Don't check price, swipe, as a caller. Yo, bitch, that's my type. If you peep the game, nobody get all saucy, that's us. You fuck around, a nigga, catch a bullet,
my
tough luck.
God.
Top fucking streamer in the country, I'm stuck. Check the numbers, bitch, I'm leaving through the heart. Swipe.
Nah. This is bad, bro. This is bad. Oh, mijo. Oh my God. Nah, he's getting busy. No. Your rappers better watch out. He's there. Oh my God. The beat. The raps. The visuals. The directory. Is that even a word? But oh my God, this was well accumulated, bro. This was dog. This guy loves this thing. Whoever's behind this guy, or produced by Lisette and Spoo. No, not the guy who shoots the videos as a producer too. Spoo as in the guy who. But I mean, if he can edit and do the videos like that, then Ah, guy. Keep this guy. Keep Spuda. Spuda, big shout out to you. Liseti. Shout out, bro. Shout out, guys. This was amazing. I like this. Oh my god. This my god has money now. He doesn't even check the price anymore. Man, big shout out to Sonwabile OVO. Maybe we need this. We did need this. Thank you for the freestyle. As short it was, I like it. Shout out. Subscribe, like, and do what you gotta do.